Hi, thank you for your interest in our BMW M3. Let me show you around the car. This is a 2021 71 registered car. It's finished in Isle of Man green with a black interior, and it's a particularly high specification. Let me show you around the condition first. The car has got full PPF paint protection film over the whole car, including the roof and sides, so there's no marks to the paintwork. It's also fitted with the genuine BMW M Performance carbon exterior kit, which is a really nice addition. That extends into the air intakes. When you look down the sides of the car, you can see it's all straight and true, no wobbly panels, dings, dents or scratches. This also has the carbon ceramic brake option, and the car is sitting on these genuine CS alloys. These are a £4,500 option that the dealer fitted. Again, you've got the carbon excuse me, on the wings, carbon mirrors and carbon roof. Also has a carbon rear spoiler. The carbon is one of those options that always looks so much better when you see the car in person than it does on the internet. You can't see these details. And the carbon diffuser. Power boot lid. It's also got a BMW boot mat protector. Kept it all nice inside. Through load system, so you can drop the seats down if you want to. Same down this side, all true, no dings, dents, scratches or wobbly panels. It's got the anniversary badges. So condition is exceptional for the year. Now, on top of the exterior extras, this car also has the ultimate package. So it's pretty much every option combined into one. Got the Harman Kardon Hi-Fi, electric memory seats. This one's got a head-up display, carbon steering wheel, which is heated, carbon interior, and these beautiful carbon backed bucket seats. Just started the car up. Next service is due in June 2028. It's just had a major service. The mileage on the car, as I record, is 10,433. I'll show you the service history as well. So the next service that's due is a brake fluid change in June 2028. And the next oil service is also due in June 28. Service history has all been done on time, as you can see by all the green OKs. It's had the all-important running in service done on time at 1,300 miles. The first oil and microfilter service carried out in June 23 at 3,700 miles. The first brake fluid change July 24, and then it's just had at the end of June, 25th of June, so at 10,410 miles, just 20 miles ago, it's had the major service, which is due every 4 years, one of these, which is an oil, brake fluid, standard vehicle check, microfilter, air cleaner and spark plugs. So all the expensive service is done. It doesn't need another one for nearly 2 years. You can see in here as well the full merino leather with a leather dash. Nice touch here as well, the carbon paddles. But a very, very well specified car. Also has 360 reversing cameras with the parking assistant too. All the M3 comps have the sports exhaust, different M modes that you can program to your preferred settings. Right, let me show you around the back of the car and under the bonnet. Factory sun protection glass. This is where you can really see how nice those carbon back seats are. They're a lovely addition, really make the car look special. M seat belts with the red and blue stitching. Back's in lovely condition. Just show you around the passenger side. It's got the 4-zone climate control as well. I like these M Performance carbon door sill protectors. So that's it. Oh, apart from these headlights as well, they're an upgrade. So as with all our cars, this is ready to drive away or to be delivered to your home. We offer finance with rates starting from 8.9% APR. You can do HP, PCP. You can apply online on our website. We will be publishing the full spec on our website, so you'll be able to see that. If you're interested, please let us know. I don't think this one will be around too long. Although there's a lot of M3s for sale, it's very hard to find one in this colour with the right spec, the right condition, the right service history, and with the CS alloys and the ultimate package, this is actually a very rare car. So whoever buys this is going to be very, very happy with it. It's as good as they come. Thank you for watching.